What is the one word for the power to foresee the future? The correct answer is prescience. What is the one word for living by preying on other animals? The correct answer is rapacious. What is the one word for fair to all parties as dictated by reason and conscience? The correct answer is equitable. What is the one word for belonging to some prior time? The correct answer is erstwhile. What is the one word for lacking interest or significance or impact? The correct answer is insipid. What is the one word for lock up or confine, in or as in a jail? The correct answer is immure. What is the one word for a blood feud between members of opposing parties? The correct answer is vendetta. What is the one word for the time and process of budding and unfolding of blossoms? The correct answer is efflorescence. What is the one word for request earnestly, ask for aid or protection? The correct answer is invoke. What is the one word for a treatise advancing a point of view resulting from research? The correct answer is dissertation. What is the one word for seize and take control without authority? The correct answer is arrogate. What is the one word for an understanding of something that is not correct? The correct answer is misapprehension. What is the one word for present at birth but not necessarily hereditary? The correct answer is congenital. What is the one word for tending to promote physical well-being, beneficial to health? The correct answer is salutary. What is the one word for a person who is member of one's class or profession? The correct answer is confrere. What is the one word for powerfully persuasive? The correct answer is cogent. What is the one word for related by blood? The correct answer is consanguineous. What is the one word for identifying words by which someone or something is called? The correct answer is appellation. What is the one word for a state of motor and mental inactivity? The correct answer is torpor. What is the one word for weaken physically, mentally, or morally? The correct answer is enervate.